हेलो बच्चों, यहाँ में क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है the plant part which consists of two generations, one within the other. First, pollen grains inside the anther. Second, germinated pollen grains within two male gametes. Third, seed inside the fruit. And fourth, embryo sac inside the ovule. For options, यहाँ हमें दिए हुए हैं option A 1, 2 and third, option B third and fourth, option C 1 and 4 and option D only 1. ठीक है, the plant part which consists of two generations, one within the other, are pollen grains inside the anther, pollen grains inside the anther, and embryo sac inside the ovule, and embryo sac inside the ovule. Pollen grains inside the anther and embryo sac inside the ovule. This can be explained as. ठीक है, in an ovule of megasporangia. In an ovule of megasporangia to and diploid, there occur an embryo sac or female. There occurs an embryo sac or female gametophyte. Female gametophyte which consists of an egg cell, haploid. This egg cell or female gametophyte is this egg cell and female gametes. This egg cell and female gamete is the part of next generation, which form zygote after synegamy. Likewise, an anther to and diploid. Anther is a male reproductive structure of plant. Anther is a male reproductive structure of a plant. As the anther mature and dehydrate, it forms pollen grains. We are microsporangiaceous. These pollen grains represent the male gametophyte. These pollen grains represent the male gametophyte comprising of male gametes, haploid. So in this way there occur two generations, one within the other. Hence the correct option is option C 1 and 4. 1 pollen grains inside the anther and 4 embryo sac inside the ovule. Option C is the correct answer, and all the best.